Line 22, 7b97z66b Fermi polar quantum matter formula part 20. Atoms H2O 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. September 19, 2013 was when I was working on it. Today's November 5th. We're still talking about ultracold potassium-rubidium KRB molecules, quantum matter, quantum gas, copper alloys, neutrinos, argon gas, cooled plasma formula, Landau level, Thomas-Young's diffraction, algorithms for a UFO space engine found in the Wow signal data line 22. We're on part 20 of 23. Previous video is line 22, 7b97z66b Fermi polar quantum matter formula part 19, particle duality 5G Wow Seti. I'm going to Google atomic pulse equations, and the quotes and PDF file results are on the blog. Optical dipole force on ladder-like 3-level atomic systems driven by chirped few cycle pulse laser fields. There's the name of our scientists, and this was June 2012. The link is arxiv.org, and the formula from data from optical dipole force. I googled it and found several PDF results and formulas that go with it. Quotes from a blog: ultracold KRB molecules, a new form of quantum matter. So we have optical dipole trap, a homogeneous B field, and we have quantum gas of 40K 80K87RB. Laser light, large molecule is Feshbach molecule, goes up, comes back down as a ground state molecule. Quantum gas of Fermi degenerate polar molecules. gila.colorado.edu is the link. The data formula continues that we did quotes from a particle duality from Wiki, and this is continuing in this video. It's keyword research. This led John Dalton to resurrect Democritus' atom in 1803 when he proposed that elements were invisible subcomponents, which explain why the varying oxides of metals, stannous oxide and cassiterite, SNO and SNO2 respectively, possess a 1:2 ratio of oxygen to one another. But Dalton and other chemists of the time had not considered that some elements occur in monatomic form, like helium, and others in diatomic form, like hydrogen, or that water was H2O, not the simpler and more intuitive HO. Thus, the atomic weights presented at the time were varied and often incorrect. I'm having my coffee still. Sorry. Additionally, the formation of HO by 2 parts of hydrogen gas and 1 part of oxygen gas would require an atom of oxygen to split in half, or 2 half atoms of hydrogen to come together. This problem was solved by Amadeo Avogadro, who studied the reacting volumes of gases as they formed liquids and solids. By postulating that equal volumes of elemental gas contain an equal number of atoms, he was able to show that H2O was formed from 2 parts of H2 and 1 part O2. By discovering in diatomic gases, Avogadro completed the basic atomic theory, allowing the correct molecular formulae of most known compounds, as well as the correct weights of atoms, to be deduced and categorized in a consistent manner. The final stroke in classical atomic theory came when Dmitri Mendeleev saw an order in recurring chemical properties and created a table presenting the elements in unprecedented order and symmetry. But there were holes in Mendeleev's table, with no element to fill them in. His critics initially cited this as a fatal flaw, but were silenced when new elements were discovered that perfectly fit into these holes. The success of the periodic table effectively converted any remaining opposition to atomic theory. Even though no single atom had ever been observed in the laboratory, chemistry was now an atomic science. It's pretty cool that they actually came up with all this information with theories and stuff, and how they figure stuff out without actually doing it. I mean, that amazes me. So October 14, 2013 formula from the data. Oh, we have a formula. Okay, so we have atom, invisible subcomponents, various oxides, metals. Monatomic, helium, diatomic, hydrogen, water, H2O, atomic weights, time varied, formation, HO, 2 parts, hydrogen, liquid argon gas, 1 part oxygen gas. Atom, oxygen split in half, 2 half atoms, hydrogen binding ligands. Reacting volumes, gases, formed liquids, solids, postulating equal volumes. Elemental gas contain equal number atoms H2O, formed from 2 parts H2, 1 part O2. Diatomic gases, atomic theory, correct molecular formulae compounds, correct weights of atoms deduced, categorized, order recurring. Chemical properties, created table presenting elements, order symmetry. Holes, Mendeleev's table, new elements discovered fit in holes. Success, periodic table converted. Any remaining atom, chemistry, atomic science, conservation of mass. October 7, 2013, keyword conservation of mass is in the next video. Formula from data continues in next several videos. Thanks for watching.